Turmeric haldi. Turmeric haldi. Earthy, slightly bitter, adds vibrant yellow color. Cumin jeera. Cumin jeera. Warm, earthy, nutty flavor, used whole or ground. Coriander dhania. Coriander dhania. Citrusy, slightly sweet, often ground from seeds. Cardamom elaichi. Cardamom elaichi, green, sweet, and black, smoky, distinct aroma. Cinnamon dalchini. Cinnamon dalchini, sweet, woody spice, often in sticks. Cloves long. Cloves long, pungent, sweet, warm spice. Black pepper kali mirch. Black pepper kali mirch, sharp, pungent heat, the king of spices. Mustard seeds sarsen. Mustard seeds sarsen, pungent when popped in oil, yellow or brown. Fenugreek methi. Fenugreek methi, slightly bitter, nutty flavor. Chili powder lau mirki. Chili powder lau mirki, adds heat from mild to fiery. Asafoetida hing. Asafoetida hing, pungent raw, becomes savory and onion, garlic-like when cooked. Fennel seeds sanf. Fennel seeds sanf, sweet, licorice-like flavor. Bay leaves tejpata. Bay leaves tejpata, aromatic, used for depth. Saffron kaiser. Saffron kaiser, delicate flavor and golden color.